Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
So when it comes to adding or subtracting square roots, right? You know the first thing I look at? You look at the square roots. Just the square roots part, right? Check to see if they are the same. So like the first one, you see how this is square root of 5? Check this also. Is that square root of 5? It is square root of 5. So because they are the same, just like you would have done for, let's say this was 7x plus 8x, right? You look at the x's, they are the same. You're going to say they are like terms. Same way for that. Square root of 5, square root of 5. So we say they are like terms. And just like here, because they are like terms, you would have then combined the front numbers, or the numbers at the front here, right? Like 7 plus 8. And put your 15. And then add one of the x's as your answer, right? We're going to do the same thing when it comes to square root addition or subtraction. So which will mean that, let's just try this first one right here. So you know what I really mean by what I just said. Again, I saw this. I checked the square roots. They are the same. So I know they are like terms. So I'm going to have to combine the numbers at the front, or the numbers without the square roots. So 7 plus 8, which is what? 15. So I put 15. And then these two are the same. So I just copy one of them. So square root of 5. And that's it. Okay. So with this one also, same way. Like looking at this right here, I know George did this. My twin brother did this. Now I'm going to be doing this right here. Alright. So like this one right here, the fact that the square roots are the same, they're both square root of 10, square root of 10, I know they are like terms. So I have to combine the numbers in front of the square roots. Here, I have a 5. Here, I don't see any number. So anytime I don't see any number, I know there's always a 1 right here. So that means I can then do 5 minus 1, which is 4. And then these two are the same. I copy one of them next to the 4. So 4 square root of 10 will be my answer. Same thing right here. The first thing that I check is the square roots. They are the same. So that means these two are like terms. So I can then combine the numbers in front of the radical. So I have 8 minus 7 is a 1. And then these two are the same, right? So that's why we even subtract anyway. So now I'm just going to copy one of these. Square root of 13. So I have 1 square root of 13. But normally, when there's a 1 in front of the radical, we can choose not to bring the 1. So our answer is just what? Square root of 13. Let me see this one. Let me just make sure if I really got this, okay? I know I got this. Alright, so again, I check these two right here. The square roots are the same. So that tells me these two are like terms. So I can then combine the numbers in front of the radicals. So I have 5 plus 9 is 14. And then I copy one of these. Square root of 14. I told you I got it.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.